What's up guys, we're out here in the garage again and we're about to put in the o2j shift tower. Let's get right into it. First thing we have is two 13mm bolts here. There's one here and then there's one here. I'm gonna take those off. That's all there is to it. Alright guys, so when putting your o2j tower in, there's a little tab right here on this bracket and you want to line that up right there. So basically just line that up. Alright, so I had to struggle a little bit to get the tower set. You will just have to wiggle it a little and stuff and play with it once you get it in place, but I believe it's good to go. So we're going to get these bolts put back in and yeah. Guys, on this shift tower, you're going to want to make sure where these two bolts go, the bolt that goes here and then the bolt that goes here. What you're going to want to do is, because you're going to want to tighten each one of them down, tighten this one down till it starts to give you some resistance, tighten this one down till it starts to give you some resistance, and go back and forth between the two bolts on tightening it down, because on the bottom side of the trans there is this, and you're literally slowly moving the left side down, then the right side down, the left side down, right side down, until it sits flat in this little piece, which has a nice cool VW logo. This one's cracked, but yeah, so you just want to make sure you go back and forth between the two bolts until you have it set, so you're not binding that or jamming that in one way and then it breaks loose, because it could. I don't know if it will ruin anything, but that's what I did, just so it goes down in there nice and smooth. Alright guys, so a couple things I forgot to film. There is this little plastic bracket that goes in this track, and the plastic bracket pops onto one of those little balls on this swivel here, and then once you pop the plastic bracket on the ball, it goes into the track, and the other one goes to your shifter from there on back. So shifter cable, and then to get your cable set up right, all you got to do is line the bolts up right on the bracket. And I would also run through all the gears just to make sure you're getting into everything correctly, and that's that. So I am putting this VR6 into my Mark 1 Rabbit, which is right here. And if anyone wants to watch the build process, you can go on ahead and click the icons above. Got some really exciting stuff coming. We're about to start the body work on this car, and we got plans for a shaved engine bay. We also got some rust repair, a bunch of rust repair that's going to be going on, and also of course fixing my floor pans and other rust in the rear of the vehicle. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Gonna have an update coming soon on stuff that's going on with me and the car. Big news, big things coming, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends, and have a good one.